Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the white background in Illustrator. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just simply tap on this view here. Click on this show transparent grid. Then click on this window. And now click on this image trace. And now you have to trace the image. So click on this direct selection tool. Then click on the image and select high fidelity photo in preset here. Wait for image trace process to finish. Now close this image trace, click on OK, and then click on this object, tap on expand and click on OK. You will see this kind of result. Click on outside the canvas, click on white background here and click on delete. And as you can see, click on the white background again if any visible and click delete again on your keyboard. Now click on this view, click on hide terrace, click on this hide transparency grid, and as you can see it's done. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to remove white background in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.